Sitar, 53, is a Uyghur farmer living in Xibeiwan Township in China's Xinjiang. This year, he grows about 78.7 hectares of farmland on his own with the help of tractors, planters, and other equipment. He has no clue why the U.S. came up with lies of so-called forced labor in Xinjiang. The U.S. has implemented a so-called Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, which absurdly presumes that all goods from Xinjiang are produced through forced labor. As a result, the U.S. has imposed a ban on imports of all products related to Xinjiang.
我这嘛就是有时候七八个人，小学名字也有呢，还有我们汉族的名字也有呢，一起干活。你要上班什么呀？我就是种地的噻，一天干活，下午下班时候嘛，给发钱。那个学长身上没的，那上班上的，我也就是听过没见过。
Xinjiang is the largest production area in China for processing tomatoes, which are smaller in size and have thicker skin than ordinary tomatoes.
谁瞧不谁呢？现在就说是，现在这个种地这个啊，你不让他种番茄，他不愿意。你种地，你收入高；你不种地了，你收入低，就这么时间。
没有强迫哪个人或者是哪个民族的人，没有说强迫不强迫。
Ben Lokma'ya bu yazdım. Mescid'de kuyusturma. Ben üzerine misal etsem, mazırı menizlerdeki neydilikte olmadık karakterinde öz aldığım elikler ticaret provatından bu yapmanın ayarlı. Mühünün bütün mecburlar bir yaga endeks ama köyde 9 tane kalıp 10 tane koyba erkin.